Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today is Tablescape Tuesday, hosted by those beautiful ladies of elegance, Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I will link their channel info along with the playlist link down in my description box. But before we get to my video, you know here on the Rodgers House, we give shout outs because we believe it's super important to support, motivate, and encourage other inspiring YouTube creators. And today's shout out goes to that beautiful Geraldine at Diva Decorating. Guest on her channel, she does some beautiful glam decor, DIYs, tablescapes, and much more. So please go over and support her channel and let her know that Felecia from the Rodgers House shouted her out today. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you another budget-friendly tablescape using some really pretty paper plates and napkins that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I'm showing you these budget-friendly tablescapes because I want you to know that it doesn't cost a lot of money to dress your table and make it look beautiful and elegant. But also, I'm showing you that this is easy cleanup, that after your guests use these paper plates and napkins, all you do is toss everything in the trash. So I'm titling this video, Thanksgiving Fiesta. So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing my Thanksgiving Fiesta tablescape, and if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section, and please don't forget to go over and visit the hosts and the participants on the playlist. And if you are visiting for the first time, welcome, and I hope you consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.